In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement tools to analyze stocks on Robinhood's desktop platform. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with technical analysis or you're looking to refine your trading strategy, understanding Fibonacci retracements can be a game changer for identifying support and resistance levels. Let's start by opening Robinhood on your computer and logging into your account as you normally would. After logging in, look towards the side menu or the navigation panel and click on the option called Robinhood Legend. This features advanced charting tools that give you more options for analyzing your stocks. Next, find the particular stock you want to examine. You can do this by either browsing your watch list or searching for the stock in the search bar. Once you've selected your stock, click on the Charts tab. This will bring up a more detailed view that includes the price history and a variety of technical analysis features. At the top of the chart, you'll notice several tools you can use to analyze the price movements. For our purposes today, find the tool labeled Fibonacci Retracement. Go ahead and select it. This tool helps map out areas where a stock might find support as it retraces or resistance as it climbs. To plot Fibonacci retracement levels, click on the chart right at the beginning of a clear price trend. Then, holding down your mouse button, drag the retracement line to the end of that trend, whether it's from a recent low to a recent high in an uptrend, or from a high down to a low in a downtrend. You'll see horizontal lines appear on your chart. These lines mark the key Fibonacci levels: 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.786. These levels can provide valuable insight. For instance, the 0.382 and 0.618 levels often act as strong support or resistance, where price movement may hesitate, reverse, or accelerate. Many traders use these levels to anticipate where a stock could pause, bounce, or potentially reverse its direction. Now, it's important not to rely solely on Fibonacci lines. Combine these levels with your analysis of price action, such as candlestick patterns, and other indicators you like to use, such as moving averages or volume, before making decisions. This holistic approach helps increase your chances of finding strong entry or exit points for your trades. Remember to frequently adjust the position of your Fibonacci retracement lines as the chart forms new highs or lows. Since markets are constantly moving, keeping your analysis up to date ensures your strategy remains effective in real time. And that's how you analyze a stock using Fibonacci retracement tools on Robinhood. Practice these steps with different stocks and keep refining your skills. Thanks for watching and happy trading.